Welcome to this study video. Dear student, this video presented by Param Guru Patsala English Medium School, Sarsa. Myself Chauhan Snehal. Today I am going to teach in GK subject. Standard first, unit number 3rd. They made us proud to be Indian. Part 2. Topic cover Introduction and famous leaders. Our lesson will be continue. So let's start our lesson. First, Sarojini Naidu. So student, in the last video we will learn three characters of Gandhiji, then which one? Sardar Patel and Sardar Patel, and third one is who is the Jawaharlal Nehru. So Gandhiji is the famous person in our India. We call Bapu. Then second person is Sardar Patel. So Sardar Patel full name is which one? What? So Sardar Patel full name is Vallabhbhai Patel, and Nehruji full name is Jawaharlal Nehru, and we call to Jawaharlal Nehru as Chachaji. Okay, so student, today our fourth number characters, famous leaders and famous freedom fighter is Sarojini Naidu. So Sarojini Naidu is the famous freedom fighter and a poetess in our India. So today I give you information about Sarojini Naidu. She was born on 13 Feb 1879 in Hyderabad. She was born on 13 February 1879 in Hyderabad. Her father, Dr. Agonath Chattopadhyay, was a scientist. He also founded Nizam College of Hyderabad. Her mother Vasundhari was a Bengali poetess. In this way, Sarojini Naidu inherited qualities from both her parents and enjoy a bright career. Okay, so she was born on 13 February 1879 in Hyderabad. Her father, Dr. Agonath Chattopadhyay, was a scientist. He also founded Nizam College of Hyderabad. Her mother, Vasundhari, was a Bengali poetess. In this way, Sarojini Naidu inherited qualities from both her parents and enjoy a bright career. So, Sarojini Naidu, famous as Nightingale of India, okay, and she was the great patriot was who took part in a freedom struggle, become the first woman governor of UP. She was the truly one of the greatest person in the world. Okay, so Sarojini Naidu was passed the 12th standard short examination of 12 years with good marks and made a poem named Lady of the Lake. At the age of 13, she went to England to receive higher education in 1895. Okay, and continued to write poem along with study. Poem along with study. So student, Sarojini Naidu was one of the best women who were in the for during the freedom struggle. She was the fondly called as a Bulbul by Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, she was fondly called as Bulbul by Mahatma Gandhi. She was the first woman to become the governor of an Indian state. Then our next Subhash Chandra Bose. So Subhash Chandra Bose is the famous leader in our India. You know Subhash Chandra, two famous one leaders in our India, and we are called to Netaji. Subhash Chandra born on January 23, January 1897. Subhash Chandra Bose was famous leader. Okay, his father was Rai Bahadur Janki Nath Bose. Okay, his father name is Rai Bahadur Janki Nath Bose, a prominent layer of Cuttack, Odisha. Okay, his mother was Prabhavati Bose, a remarkable example of India womanhood. Later, the world come to know him as a Netaji. Subhash Chandra Bose advocated complete unconditional independence for India. He believed that Gandhiji's non-violent techniques were not sufficient to secure independence for India. Okay? He believed that Gandhiji's non-violent techniques were not sufficient to secure independence for India. He stood for unqualified Swaraj means independence, including the use of force against the British. Okay, he stood for unqualified Swaraj independence, including the use of force against the British. This means a disagreement with Mahatma Gandhi, who in a fact opposed Bose presidency and splitting the Congress party. Okay, so Subhash Chandra Bose is the one of the best person and best leaders in our India, and he stood for unqualified Swaraj means independence according to the use of force against the British, and he believed that Gandhiji's non-violent techniques were not sufficient to secure independence for our India. So student, here Subhash Chandra Bose is the famous character, and he is the very nice person to our India. He is the famous freedom fighter. Okay. So Subhash Chandra Bose, after we are going to learn about Rabindranath Tagore. So you know children's Rabindranath Tagore called Gurudev. Okay, so Rabindranath Tagore was born on 7th May 1861 in Calcutta. Okay, Rabindranath Tagore was born 7th May 1861 in Calcutta. Rabindranath Tagore was a Bengali person. Okay, was a Bengali person having wide-ranging knowledge, who respected his reasons in literature and music. Okay, he was author of Gitanjali. He became the first non-European to win the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913. Tagore wrote poetry as an 18-year-old. His novels, story, songs, dance, dramas, and essays spoken to topics politics, political, and personal. Okay, so Rabindranath Tagore was born on 7th May 1861 in Calcutta. Rabindranath Tagore was a Bengali person having wide-ranging knowledge, who reshaped his reasons, literature, and music. He was author of Gitanjali. He became the first non-European to win the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913. Tagore wrote poetry as an 18-year-old. How many years old? 18-year-old. His novels, stories, songs, dance, dramas, and essays spoken to topics political and personal. His compositions were chosen by two national anthems. Okay, the Republic of India's Jana Gana Mana and Bangladesh Amar songs Bangla. Okay, here two songs made by our Ravindranath Tagore, our Gurudev. So during Tagore lives, the British control India. Tagore wanted independence for India. He knew Gandhiji and gave him to name Mahatma meaning is great soul. He died there in 7th August. Again I repeat it. He was also philosopher and artist. Tagore also known as the Gurudev, and Rabindranath Tagore also wrote the anthems of two countries, Bangladesh and our India. Okay, Tagore also known as Gurudev, and Rabindranath Tagore also wrote the anthem of two countries, Bangladesh and our India. During Tagore's life, the British control our India. So, here he also a philosopher and artist. He wrote about our nation situation in control by British. So Tagore wanted to independence for India. He knew Gandhiji and gave him the name Mahatma. Meaning is Mahatma, great soul. Okay, so our three famous leaders today we are learn. First one is Sarojini Naidu, second one is Subhash Chandra Bose, and third one is Gurudev. So Gurudev is the poet and he become to freedom. He want to freedom, independence for India, and he achieved the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913, and he became the first non-European to win the Nobel Prize in Literature in our India in 1913. Okay, Tagore wrote poetry as an 18-year-old, and Tagore also known as Gurudev, and Tagore means Rabindranath Tagore also wrote the anthem of two countries. Which two countries? Bangladesh and our India. Our India's national anthem is Jana Gana Mana. Okay, so Tagore wrote this our national anthem Jana Gana Mana, and second country's anthem made by Tagore is Bangladesh. So student, our this video in our 6 famous leader we were learn. Okay, so we repeated our let's remember related to this lesson. Okay, our question is match the followings. Here one side A side column given some name of leader and B side given their famous name, means people या someone give to this name. Okay, so Jawaharlal Nehru. So which one is follow? Jawaharlal Nehru. So here is Chachaji. Okay, so here Chachaji. Second, Gandhiji. Gandhiji to people's call Bapu. Okay, here Sarojini Naidu. So Sarojini Naidu is Nightingale of India. And Gandhiji called which one name? Bulbul. Then Sardar Patel are Iron Man of India. Yes? Okay. Subhash Chandra Bose, Netaji. Then Rabindranath Tagore, Gurudev. Again I repeat it. Jawaharlal Nehru. Two famous nickname is given by people. Chachaji. Then Gandhiji called Bapu and other name is father of the nation. And Mahatma also. Mahatma, Bapu, father of the nation, all are famous name to our Gandhi Bapu. Okay. Sarojini Naidu called Nightingale of India. And Sardar Patel, who was the Iron Man of India. Then Subhash Chandra Bose called Netaji. And Rabindranath Tagore called Gurudev. Okay. So here student, this one write down in your notebook. Okay. This exercise write down in your notebook. So again in this lesson we will learn 6 famous leader. First leader is which one? Gandhiji, called Mahatma, Bapu and father of the nation. Then second one is which one? You know? Very good. Second one is our Sardar Patel. Sardar Patel full name is Vallabhbhai Patel. And all of you learn this Sardar Patel about the information. He was the Iron Man of our India. Then third person is Chachaji. Chachaji full name is Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay. And his birthday known as a Children's Day. Okay. Then after fourth number is Nightingale of India. Who is the Nightingale of India? Sarojini Naidu. Then Sarojini Naidu is a poetist. Okay. And our famous freedom fighter. And first woman to which one is? Which types of first woman? You know? Very good. So, the first woman governor of UP. Okay. Then, fifth number is Netaji. So, Netaji is the name of Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji's full name is Subhash Chandra Bose. And Subhash Chandra Bose to disagreement with Mahatma Gandhi, who in fact opposed Bose to presidency, spiting the Congress party, and he stood for unqualified Swaraj, means independence, including the uses of force against the British. ब्रिटिश के अगेंस्ट उन्होंने क्या किया था? फोर्स यूज किया था. आर्मी फोर्स होता है ना, वैसे ही. एंड our last one is Gurudev. Okay, so Gurudev कौन है? Gurudev means our Rabindranath Tagore was the famous person, Bengali person, and the famous poet. Okay, and he became the first non-European to win the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913. Okay, so in our GK subject, all of you remember to all famous leaders, okay, and their information. So student, in this lesson, you enjoy this lesson and identify this famous leader who made us proud to be Indian. Okay, and write fill in the blanks. Okay, means which blank? In your textbook in fill blanks to write down to show help box. ओके, हेल्प बॉक्स देखकर आपको वहाँ पे वो बॉक्स फिलअप करना है. अंडरस्टूड? ओके, सो बाय, सी यू सून.